In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to find trending products. Google Trends is a free tool from Google that shows what people are searching for right now, and it's perfect for spotting products that are heating up before everyone else notices. First, go to Google Trends in your browser. The homepage gives you a snapshot of what's moving in search. To focus on the most current momentum, click Trending Now at the top. This view highlights real-time spikes and daily trending topics, which is exactly where sudden product demand often shows up. Next, choose your location. Trends vary a lot by market, so pick the country or region where you plan to sell. If you serve multiple markets, check them one at a time so you can see whether interest is local, regional, or global. After that, select a date range. Short windows like today or past. 7 days are great for catching fresh hypes, while a longer range helps you see whether interest is stable or just a short-lived spike. If you notice repeated peaks at the same time each year, that likely indicates a seasonal product opportunity. Now, click on categories to filter what you see. Narrowing to areas like shopping, beauty and fitness, electronics, or home and garden cuts out unrelated noise and surfaces topics that align with your niche. This makes it much easier to connect a trend to an actual product angle. Then click on a trend to open its details. Here you'll see interest over time, interest by region, and related topics and queries. Look for steady upward movement rather than a single sharp spike. If a product-related query is rising alongside the main trend, that's a good signal of purchase intent. If you want to save or analyze what you're seeing, click Export. This downloads the data so you can keep records, share with your team, or track changes over the next few days. And finally, spend a moment with the graph. A clean climbing line suggests growing demand. A jagged, one-day burst usually points to fleeting news. Combine the date range and category filters to sanity check the pattern. When a trend shows consistent growth across multiple days and appears in your target location and category, you've likely found a strong product lead. That's the workflow. With a few minutes in Google Trends each day, you can build a reliable radar for what to sell next.